back, and today I got the Galaxy Book Pro 360. Not Xbox 360, but Galaxy Book Pro 360. Alright, so this is a big box. I see the specs, nice specs. Operating system, Windows 10, i7, 16 gigabytes memory. Some nice specs right here. So let's go through it, unbox it, talk about it. Let's get into it. Throw them threes up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. It don't stop on this channel. Y'all already know. Y'all got goals. Let's get it done together. What's y'all goals? Let me know down below. We're gonna get it done. All right, let's get it started. Galaxy Book Pro 360. Alright, so let's take it out. Alright, so that's the first thing that you see. Okay. Got the nice cloth from Samsung. Okay. I like this. Whoa, look how thin it is. That's crazy. This thing is flat. Alright, so we got an outlet for it. USB Type-C. Next we got the USB Type-C cable. So you know we got that fast charging. Next we got the terms and conditions and the quick guide book. Come with the nice S Pen. And look at that point. That's a nice point. Much sharper than the Apple Pencil. But listen, the S Pen is king, man. We already know that. This is crazy. Like, look how freaking thin this laptop is. My phone is thicker than this laptop. It's a really thin laptop. It's really nice. Let's open it up. I had to change it up, but this is a really nice screen. The first thing that I noticed is that we have a fingerprint scanner right here. And that's really nice to have the fingerprint scanner. Look at that. And next we have a headphone jack, which is always lovely. Then we got a USB port. And then we got, looks like a micro USB or a USB slot. That's good. We need that. I wish Apple had that. And then there's two more additional USB Type-C slots right here. And then also again we got that i7 core, so we're gonna see how powerful and how fast this thing is gonna run. So now, all right, so I'm actually following along with this. I didn't know that this laptop is actually touch also. So not only you got the keyboard, you can also touch it. All right, so while also you setting up everything, you can also again add your fingerprint to it. So let's try it out. Looked like that was pretty easy. All right, so I haven't been on Windows side in a long time, so it looked like you actually customize your device suitable for you. So this laptop for me is gonna be for gaming and creativity, and I guess a little small entertainment. So that's what I'm really gonna be using it for, and probably business. So I'm gonna just accept that and see how that is. Using your phone from your PC, so you can actually make calls. You can actually make and take calls, send text messages, and use your mobile apps. You know, the first thing we gotta do when we get a Windows laptop, aha, yes, go on the internet. Oh yeah, we close, you know. We gotta get that Internet Explorer, you already know. Nah, but for real, honestly, I like how the S Pen works with this screen. It just feels really nice, really simple to use. It's really awesome, really needed. And honestly, I wish Apple Pen can actually be used with their laptops, because you know this is freaking awesome. So far the laptop's pretty quiet, seems pretty fast. You know, you got your basic apps on here. You have Dolby Access on here. You know, you have your basic Microsoft products. Whoa, now it's getting loud. Y'all hear that? You can definitely hear that fan pushing, you know, and cool. You got 3D paint, you can do some paint, you know. You can just do, yeah, so you can do cool art like that, and you know, you can just have some fun. I really like the S Pen. Next, let's get into the specs of the PC because, you know, we're screaming right now. All right, so we're looking at the specs. So it has a super AMOLED screen, which is honestly true because if I back out the camera and I'm trying to focus on other places, as you see it's trying to focus, it's not focusing on anything but this bright, nice screen. So watch even in direct sunlight, unbelievable brilliance and 120% color volume. So yes, really nice screen, really bright. As you can tell, you know, my camera can't focus on anything else besides this. 2-in-1 design. Okay, so it's actually, it can fold into a tablet, and a long-lasting batteries that last up to 21 hours. That's nice, that's nice. So pretty much can last you all day. But let's try out this folding tablet stuff that they're talking about. Hold up. Whoa, hold up. Okay. Wow, that's nice. I think I'm gonna keep it like this the whole time. All right, you see, so everything is saying that, you know, this is just the best, brightest screen. It's good for eye care display. It has really great gaming performance when it comes to the screen time. And also has a nice cinematic experience. And you can tell, like, look at the nice colors on here right now. Like, this is coming from the OLED screen. You can actually see all the nice bright colors. Again, it has the Dolby Atmos, and it's really thin, which, as you guys can see, look at that, really thin. It's crazy, crazy thin. No space at all. Very good, you can travel places. I do recommend. Yep, it is a powerful storage. Like I said, I got the i7, come with 512 gigabytes of storage already. And if you want, you can get more, up to 2 terabytes of storage. You can, you know, work with this with your Galaxy products. So if you had a Galaxy phone, this can go hand in hand. You can switch stuff from, you can send stuff from your phone onto here and here to your phone really easily from your phone. Is freaking awesome. All right, guys, you can also play games too. I'm actually playing Smite right now. I'm Ares, my favorite character. I'm having a hard time connecting it by itself, so I have no problem playing it with the core, so that's fine. And you guys see how smooth it's running. It's real nice. So again, it plays real nice, runs real nice. It's a good game. What do you guys think about the Galaxy Book Pro 360? Again, like I said, it has 16 gigabytes of memory, so you already know it's gonna be no lag. It's gonna be running really smooth. The nice OLED screen, sorry, the nice AMOLED screen. But with that, again, you get the nice glossy colors, the nice colors that you guys seen. And again, I had a really nice time with the S Pen. I think that's probably the best thing of this PC, honestly. And yeah, and also you can bend it back, but truthfully, I'm clumsy. I don't like to, I don't know, that whole bend it back stuff. Like, listen, you guys know how much I paid for this, clearly. Like, it's $1,000. I don't want to keep bending it back and forth. I don't care. No, Listen, it's a cool option, but listen, I ain't got money to burn to keep bending it back and forth. Cause like I said, once that screen go crazy, once that screen gives out on you, yeah, you can bend it back as long as you want to. It ain't fixing it. It ain't going back the way it was. So no, all that bending stuff, that's cute. Again, you know, you can play games on it. You can do a lot with it. So hey, like I said, all around laptop. It's a nice laptop. You can do a lot with it. Art, work purposes, business, whatever you need to, this laptop can do it for you. And again, really thin, really light, travel friendly, is ready to go. It can do it, it can do it all. And again, it's by Windows, so it's gonna be no limits. All right, guys, throw them things up for your boy. I'm out. This is Devin Up. I got goals today. You got goals today. It don't stop. Listen, you got something you want to accomplish, it's easy. Think about it, do it, and let's get it done. You know what I'm saying? Make any small progress. Any small progress is big progress, okay? You gotta start somewhere, okay? All right, we out. Peace.